Hello, my name is Vivek Williams and I'm the Director of Townshend International School. Population of our students is extremely diverse. So we have in our high school at the moment around 100 students, and out of that 100, over 30 different nationalities are represented. The essential philosophy of the school is that it's important to have academic excellence. This is excellence in the sciences, in mathematics, in the arts, in languages. And at the same time as there is excellence academically, there needs to be development of a good character. And the two must go hand in hand. A good character refers to the human virtues, the development of qualities like truthfulness, courtesy, trustworthiness, kindness. And it is through the expression of these virtues that our spirit grows, that our spirit shines, that makes us happier, that makes us more fulfilled. We say very upfront that a human being is spiritual in nature, which means that we have to find ways to nurture the life of that spirit. Every morning in this assembly room, our senior students will run an assembly where they host a musical item, some inspirational readings that come from some of the world's major religions, or maybe from Mahatma Gandhi or Albert Einstein. Something again that the student body and all the staff can reflect upon, spend a little bit of time in silence, and again, inspire that spirit. So we walk out of the room and begin lesson one that much more inspired. At the core of the academic curriculum are the Cambridge International Examinations. Your students graduate with Cambridge International A-levels. Because Cambridge A-levels are considered to be the gold standard of international education, they are widely recognized by universities around the world. This gives our students a wonderful opportunity to go on and study in universities in the UK, in the United States, in Australia, around Europe, and they have gone on to study at Oxford, University of Edinburgh, Macquarie University in Australia, the University of Queensland, Charles University, University of Heidelberg, to name but a few. There's an understanding that in life as human beings, we have a twofold moral purpose. One of them is to develop these academic skills, develop the traits of a good character. And then the second part is, well, what are we going to do with it? And so we say, develop these capacities, develop these skills, but then the second part is go out into society and do something for the benefit of humanity. And what are some of the opportunities that allow for this to happen? We believe community service is essential. So as part of our Youth Award program, students get together, they plan service projects. For example, they may go out and sing for the people in the elderly home. They also have projects with the environment, cleaning up along the River Vltava, recycling. It's a good idea to have a look at the website of the school. But something you can never get from the website is a feeling for what the spirit is at the school. And because of that, I really encourage you to come here in person. Set foot on the campus, and we'd be happy to host you and show you around. We look forward to seeing you soon.